Welcome to Shams's kitchen again. Hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to cook celery prawn in curry style. Let's go and see what we need. For this recipe we need celery and some coriander leaves, garlic paste, onion, just one onion, I'll slice it soon, and then some prawns, peeled prawns, just one tomato, I'll chop it up quickly. And for the spices we need half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and then turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of chili powder just for the color, and 1 teaspoon of salt. That's all spices. So let's chop it up. Here we go. Onions are chopped, tomatoes as well, and that's how we sliced our celeries. Now we're gonna go and start our cooking. I like to start prawn in the oil first whenever I'm cooking prawn curries, and then I add the onions. So that's what I'm doing. Some oil, I just put the prawns in. Let's cook it for a few minutes, and then I'll add the onions and cook it again. Looks like we need to add the onions now. We'll cook it for a little while after. Looks like the onions are cooked too, so I'll add garlic now. Garlic paste, and cook it for another 1 minute before we add all other spices. I'm adding the tomatoes now. The prawn and the spices are cooked, so we can add all the celeries now. And cook it for a while. Looks like it's ready, so I'm just gonna take it off. Here you go, celery prawn curry ready to eat. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.